A revolution is a radical change in a society and its social structure, especially one made suddenly and often accompanied by violence. Many revolutions have taken place in the past. The American Civil War. It was fought by the settlers of America against the Britishers. The war started in 1775 and a Declaration of Independence was announced from Philadelphia in 1776 under the leadership of George Washington. The French Revolution was the period of Voltaire and Montesquieu. The autocratic monarch, nobles, clergy, and privileged classes had brought the socio-economic order to a point of collapse. The medieval feudal society, oppressing the serfs and peasants, led the country to financial bankruptcy. By 1917, most Russians had lost faith in the leadership of Tsar Nicholas II. Consequently, that year, two revolutions swept through Russia, which later resulted in the formation of the Soviet Union. And this is the Russian Revolution. The Crusades are the first of its kind was taken by God Larry of Bouillon. Those were military expeditions of religious Christian nations for the safety of pilgrims who visited the holy places of Christians, and also to see that those places were in the hands of Christians. The invention of power-driven machines such as flying shuttle, spinning jenny, water frame, power loom, cotton gin, steam engine, etc., was a landmark in the economic prosperity of the world. This revolution helped Britain and France to build up political supremacy in the world affairs. King John II of England was the worst of the English kings. The barons and the clergy were annoyed with him. They forced him to sign this sanction in 1215. It was the foundation stone of the rights and liberties of the English people, and this is called the Great Charter or the Magna-Carta. The Renaissance was the time of the great revival of art, literature, and learning in Europe. It began in the 14th century and extended to the 17th century, marking the transition from the medieval to the modern world. The Glorious Revolution. This bloodless revolution brought permanent changes in England in 1688. It ended the despotic rule of the Stuart kings. Thank you so much for watching this video. We shall meet again in the next video, which will cover up chapter Villains in Real Life, page 26.